From the first cold snap to the last frost, Powell's Plumbing and Air keeps homes warm with reliable furnace service. Our expert technicians handle everything from seasonal tune-ups and routine maintenance to quick, on-the-spot repairs. We work on all furnace brands and models, ensuring your system is safe, efficient, and ready for whatever winter throws at it. Powell's for friendly service, fair pricing, and dependable results, all backed by decades of experience. Want your furnace to last longer, run more efficiently, and avoid costly repairs? Schedule annual tune-ups before the heating season starts. Replace or clean filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. Keep vents and registers clear of furniture, rugs, and debris. Listen for unusual noises and call Powell's at the first sign of trouble. Check your thermostat settings to ensure your system isn't overworking. Inspect your furnace area to keep it clean, dust-free, and unobstructed. Regular care not only protects your investment but also keeps your home safe and your utility bills low. And with Powell's just a call away, keeping your furnace in top shape is easier than ever. If you need dependable air conditioning repair, Powell's Plumbing and Air is the name you can trust. Our skilled technicians perform thorough evaluations, efficient installations, and expert repairs to keep your cooling system in top condition. Don't let minor problems turn into costly issues. Contact our air conditioning team today to schedule an appointment and keep your home comfortable all season long.